Ooh, juicy. Everyone who knows me knows I'm absolutely obsessed with all things slushy. I could literally go to Sonic every day and drink them out of business. And I'm also in Houston where it's 100 degrees and it feels like the devil sat on Houston. But today we're going to make a frozen mango lemonade drinks to beat this heat. Let's go. All the best lemonades use a simple syrup to make it sweet. A simple syrup is typically 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar. I like mine really sweet, so we're gonna use 2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in our saucepan. That is a lot of sugar. I'm like, oh, but it's gonna be delicious. And then add in our water. And stir. Mix your sugar and water on a medium heat until it becomes one combined texture. You're going to want to keep mixing it and then bring it to a boil. After it starts boiling, give it a good stir, turn off the heat, and then remove it from that burner. So add in your mango chunks. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that color. All right, ice. And now you're completely cooled down simple syrup. Completely cooled down. Do not add hot syrup to this, please, because it will mess it up. See if I can do this stuff. Look at this. And I'm lazy, so what we're gonna do is add a strainer on top and squeeze in the lemons. I'm not wasting a bowl. Love the smell of fresh lemons. Unacceptable! Alright, let's squeeze these bad boys in. Hope you don't have any cuts on your finger when you do this, because it will burn. It's like misting. You can't see it, but it's misting. Mixy, mixy, mixy. The perfect summer drink. I hope you liked today's recipe as much as I did, and if you give it a try, make sure you tag me so I can see it.